Welcome to the AI Christmas Masterbook 2026, a magical holiday journey with Bit and Anne, where imagination meets discovery. This book is specially designed for children ages 5 to 11, blending coloring, geometric thinking, logic, and gentle STEM concepts in the most playful way. Through the holiday adventure map, kids follow Bit and Anne across 6 exciting stages: Snow City, Santa's AI Workshop, the Reindeer Energy Lab, Light Patterns, the Gift Route, and the New Year 2026 Countdown. Each page includes activities and challenges that help children build pattern recognition, symmetry skills, problem solving, visual logic, and sequence thinking. All illustrations are crafted with AI assistance and refined by human artists, ensuring a beautiful, inspiring, and child-friendly creative experience. Make this Christmas a season of joyful learning. AI Christmas Masterbook 2026, now available on Amazon. Start the adventure today.